top 5 mindset ng mga successful people na karamihan ng tao wala. At hindi lang talent yung dahilan kung bakit umaangat sila. Most of the time, mindset talaga. Number 1, they take responsibility. Successful people don't blame anyone for their problems. Hindi nila sinasabing, kasalanan kasi ng pamilya ko, hindi ako pinanganak na mayaman. Kasalanan ng environment ko, wala kasi akong support. Oo, mahirap ang sitwasyon nila, pero instead na magreklamo sila, gumagawa sila ng paraan. Kasi alam nila, hanggat puro blame ka, walang magbabago sa'yo. Number 2, they stay consistent even when they don't feel like it. Hindi araw-araw motivated ang successful people. May days din silang napapagod. May days din silang tinatamad. Nawawalan ng gana. Pero ang difference, hindi sila nakadepende sa feelings nila. Kumikilos pa rin sila kahit ayaw na nila. Kasi discipline creates results, not motivation. Number 3, they focus on growth, not validation. Hindi sila obsessed sa likes, approval, o opinion ng ibang tao. Kasi alam nila, kapag masyado kang dependent sa validation, kontrolado ka ng opinion ng iba. Successful people focus on improving themselves quietly. Habang busy yung iba magpasikat, sila busy mag-grow. Number 4, they learn from failure. Kapag nag-fail kasi ang normal na tao, sumusuko na agad. Pero ang successful people, inaaral nila bakit sila nagkamali. Kasi para sa kanila, failure is a feedback. Every mistakes teaches something. And number 5, they think long-term. Most of the people gusto instant success, instant money, instant results, and instant progress. Pero successful people understand one thing. Real success takes time. Kaya willing silang magsakripisyo ngayon para sa better future later. Success starts in the mind before it happens in real life. Kaya bago magbago ang buhay mo, kailangan baguhin mo muna yung mindset mo. Follow mo ako for more mindset training, discipline lessons, at motivational content na totoong makakatulong para magbago ang buhay mo.